Hello, good morning. My name is Jit Bahadur Khatri. I am 28 years old. I am from Bhutan, Nepal. I am single. I have 4 members in my family. My education is 10 pass. I have 2 years work experience and skilled worker in Nepal. My job are loading, unloading, storing, operating, counting, packing, checking, etc.
Okay, sir, are you ready to work as an unskilled worker in any European countries?
Yes,
Are you ready to work in any weather or climate inside or outside?
yes,
Do you have any medical health problem?
no,
Do you have any friends or relatives there?
no,
Are you willing to stay there for a long time?
yes,
Okay, sir, so you must complete your 3 years of agreement with the agreed company. Is that okay?
yes,
Now you can show me your skill.
yes,
Thank you.
thank you. Thank you.